Hi, this is Barbados Aloe from the Dougherty Garden. Today, I took a chance coming out. Looks like every day get a little bit of rain, so there was a threat. It looked like the threat was leaving, but we're still getting a few drops. So what we'll try and do is just do a quick video. And what I have here presently is the Aloe Vera. I had two of them in the garden, varieties of the aloe plant, the Aloe Vera and the Aloe Barbados something. I'll have to find the name of that little puppy that's floating around somewhere. But this is the one that's used for medicinal purposes, and looks like it's just starting to pick up. It's raining a little bit, so we'll try and be a little speed this up so I don't get soaked out here. This is the aloe version, Aloe Vera. As I was picking them up, I dropped one of the plants and I just repotted them quicker. Not repot, but I just placed them in a pot because it is getting a little wet out here. And with these little puppies, I have one somewhere in the garden, and I'm going to have to quit this quick because we are getting wet. So I have one in the garden which I'm trying to grow to get a stem. We'll take that one and do the blog on and add that picture on. So this is just a quick video to show you how it was very easy to grow these things. All you need is just a little pup, what they call, and that's what they are over there. These are little pups that you basically pull out from the bottom of the plant and just put them in some good potting soil. Leave them out Mother Nature, and that'll take care of itself. Just water it and test care for it. Just look at it every day. If you see anything normal, just move it around, shake it up, get into it. And like I say, it's a good house plant. Some people put them in pots, some people put them in the ground, some people have them interior plants. So whatever you want to do, it makes a good plant. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. And now it's just getting a little too wet for Marty to be out here anymore. Thank you.